Alright, we have Dragonite here, this promo card from 99. So this one, it looks decent in this, but it does have quite a bit of dirt. Let's see. There's a bunch of dirt there. Right by my finger, right there. Spots over here we're going to try and clean up. Right there. This card does have lots of creases, so this is definitely one that's just going to stay in the personal binder, but let's try to clean it up to make it look good in a binder. So I'm going to use some card spray and a little Q-tip end and just kind of wipe this stuff away very gently. That is coming off nicely. There we go. I'd have to get a couple of tips to clean all this off. Right at the end. Don't want to push too hard or rub in one spot for too long, because then you'll start taking off the ink. So I'm going to aim right in this area and see how well that comes off. Oh yeah, it came right off. You definitely want to clean it before you do any heat press or clamping. Kind of looked like there's a little bit above Dragon Air, but could just be part of the card. I'm going to leave that alone. Alright, I think we got. I wonder what. Who had it? That. Because this isn't my. I bought this recently. So this isn't from my childhood. I never had one of these as a child. I wonder what they did with it. That got it so dirty. Alright, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to put it in the humidor. And we are going to try to work out a bunch of these creases. Let's see if I could show you. There we go. So there's a bunch of nasty creases throughout here. Nice dent and crease. It's a pretty beat up card, but I think we'll do pretty good of at least cleaning it up. We won't get rid of all the creases and stuff, but it'll be flat once we're done and it'll look a lot better. Let's look at the front. Yeah, see, dent, creases all the way through. See this? Yeah, we'll get this pretty flat. We're just gonna throw it straight into the humidor and leave it there for I'll probably leave it in there for a day or two while we're working on other cards. But let me know what you guys think will be the best for this card. Thanks for watching.